Hello dear students, welcome back to maths class. We are continuing with our chapter arithmetic sequence and today's topic is position and term. The relation between position and the term of an arithmetic sequence. That is our topic. See, here we have an arithmetic sequence 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, etc. This one is an arithmetic sequence, right? That is, what is the common difference here? Common difference means the difference between two consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence, right? Here, what is the difference between two consecutive terms of the arithmetic sequence? That is, yes, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, or 11 minus 6 is equal to 5, or 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. So, the common difference here is 5. Okay, now we are going to find out the relation between the position and the term of an arithmetic sequence. Position and the term of an arithmetic sequence. See, first term plus 5 gives the second term, right? First term, that is x1 is our first term. That is x1 plus 5 gives x2, right? And what about x3, this third term? This third term is actually x1 plus, yes, 2 times of the common difference, right? 1 plus 5 again plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, that means 2 5s are adding with the 1, we get the third term. Okay, that is x3 or the third term is equal to first term plus 2 times of the common difference. Then what about x5? x5, which one is x5? This term, right? That is, yes, x1 first term plus how much times common difference? That is 4 times of the common difference. Okay, that is x5 fifth term is first term plus 4 times of the common difference. Then what about 10th term? 10th term is, yes, first term plus is how much times? 9 times of the common difference, right? Then what about 50th term? 50th term is equal to first term plus, yes, 50th term, that is 49 times of the common difference. Okay, then how do we find out the nth term of this sequence or any term of the sequence? That is, yes, first term plus, yes, 50 ആയപ്പോൾ 49 ആയിരുന്നു ഇവിടെ, 10 ആയപ്പോൾ 9 ടൈംസ് ആയിരുന്നു, 5 ആയപ്പോൾ 4 ടൈംസ് ആയിരുന്നു, 3 ആയപ്പോൾ 2 ടൈംസ് ആയിരുന്നു, 2 ആയപ്പോൾ 1 ടൈം ആണ്. Then what about xn? xn is equal to x1 plus, yes, n minus 1 times of the common difference. Okay, xn is equal to first term plus n minus 1 times of the common difference. Okay, that means the difference between, yes, what is the difference between the first term and second term? The difference between first term and second term, that is 6 minus 1. First term minus second term minus first term is equal to the common difference, right? Then what is the difference between third term and first term? What is the difference between third term and first term? That is 11 minus 1, that is equal to, yes, 10. Okay, and what is the difference between fourth term and first term? That is equal to, yes, 15. Then fifth term and fifth term is 21. 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. What is special about these numbers? That means the difference between any two terms of an arithmetic sequence. The difference between any two terms of an arithmetic sequence is a multiple of the common difference. Okay. What is the difference between 11 and 6? 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Then what is the difference between 26 and 11? 26 minus 11. What is 26 minus 11? That is equal to 15. That means the difference between any two terms of an arithmetic sequence is a multiple of the common difference. 15 is the third multiple of 5. 20 is the fourth multiple of 5. Okay, so this is the relation of the position and the term of an arithmetic sequence. That is the term difference and the common difference are related with their position. Okay, see here first term, second term minus first term is the common difference, and third term minus first term is equal to 2 times of the common difference, right? Third term, what is the relation between their positions? See, this is third term and this is first term. Okay, this is third and this is first. Okay, so term difference, these two are the terms. What is the term difference? Term difference is 11 and 1. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, and what about their position difference? This is the first term and this is the third term. What is the difference between their positions? This is 3, third position. This is first position. So what is the relation between their positions? Third position and first position. Their difference is 2. Okay, and if we divide the term difference is 10. Okay, and the position difference is 2. Then we get, yes, the common difference 5. Okay, see here the term 16 is the fourth term. Okay, and 1 is the first term. Okay, 16 fourth term and 1 is the first term. So term difference, terms in the രണ്ടിന്റെയും difference എന്താണ്? 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Okay, and what is the position difference? Position 4th and 1 are the position. 4 and 1 are the position. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so term difference by position difference is 3. What is that? 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Right? Then what about fifth term and the first term? Okay, 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. That are the terms difference. And what about position difference? 21 is the fifth term, 1 is the first term. So their position difference 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. That is 20 minus 4 is also equal to 4. 5. Okay, so we have the relation between common difference, term difference and position difference. That is, if we divide the term difference by the position difference, we get the common difference. Okay, term difference by position difference is equal to common difference. Or else we can say that the term difference are always multiples of the common difference. Okay, നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് രീതിയിൽ പറയാണ്. ടേം ഡിഫറൻസിനെ പൊസിഷൻ ഡിഫറൻസ് കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് കിട്ടും. തിരിച്ച് ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയണം, എന്താണ് ടേം ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസിൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ടേം ഡിഫറൻസ് കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസിൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ആണ്. ഒന്നുകൂടെ ടേം ഡിഫറൻസ് ബൈ പൊസിഷൻ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഗീവ്സ് ദ കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു സീക്വൻസിനകത്തത്തെ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ടേമും ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേമും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 20 ആണ്. ഈ 20 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസിൻ്റെ ഫോർത്ത് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ആണ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 20 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ടേമും ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേമും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് ആണ്. അതിൻ്റെ പൊസിഷൻ ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 5 - 1 4 ആണ്. നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരേ കാര്യം രണ്ട് രീതിയിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ലിയർ? Common difference is equal to term difference by position difference. And one more thing, the term difference is always a multiple of the common difference. Term differences are always the multiples of common difference. Okay? See, this is very important. Okay, and the problems are also very important. Okay, let us do the problems based on this idea. First problem, in each of the arithmetic sequences below, some terms are missing and positions are marked with a circle. Find them. First question is, yes, 24, 42 and next two circles. And we need to fill up the circles. See, here what is the common difference? This one is an arithmetic sequence, so the common difference exists there. Okay. So what is the common difference here? Common difference is, yes, second term minus first term. That is 42 minus 24. What is 42 minus 24? 42 minus 24 is equal to, yes, 18. Okay, 42 minus 24 is equal to 18. Then which is the third term? What about the third term? Third term is, yes, yes, second term plus common difference. Okay, that is, yes, third term is equal to, yes, second term plus common difference. That is 42 plus 18. 42 plus 18 is equal to 60. Then what about the fourth term? Yes, fourth term is equal to, yes, third term plus one time of the common difference. That is 60 plus 18 is equal to 78. Okay. The second question, yes, circle 24, 42, then again circle. Okay. Then how do we find out the number? See, one number is before 24 and one number after 42. Okay. We know the number. See, what is the common difference here? Yes, see, this is the third term and this one is the second term. Okay, third term minus second term is also give the common difference. Okay, what is the common difference? 42 minus 24 is equal to 18 itself is the common difference. Then what about the first term? See, the second term is 18 more than the first term. Then what about the first term? First term is 24 minus 18. Okay, that is x1 is equal to, yes, 24 minus 18, that is equal to 6. So this number is 6 and this one we already know that number is 60. Okay, this is the third question. Yes, two circles, after that 24 and 42. Okay, see, here we have the third term and the fourth term. Then the difference between third term and the fourth term is also the common difference. So the common difference is, yes, 42 minus 24, 18 itself is the common difference. Okay. Then what about the second term? The second term is, yes, 18 less than the third term. Okay. So the second term x2 is equal to 24 minus 18, that is equal to 6. Okay, so this term is equal to 6. Then what about the first term? This first term x1 is equal to, yes, second term minus 18. Okay, second term is 6. 6 minus 18. Okay, a small number minus a large number. 6 minus 18 is equal to 12. What 12? Negative 12. So the number is negative 12. Next question. Yes, 24 circle, 42 circle. Here some difference are there, right? What is the difference? See, here we have the first term and the third term, not the second term. So common difference is some other number. See, is the first term and this is the third term. Okay, this is the first term and this is the third term. And we know that, yes, term difference by position difference gives the common difference. Okay, so what is CD? CD is equal to, yes, third term minus first term divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, third term minus first term divided by their positions. Positions are 3 and 1. Okay, that is 42 minus 24 divided by 3 minus 1. Then what is 42 minus 24? That is 18. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That is equal to 9. So here the common difference is 9. Then what about the second term? This term is 9 more than the first number. That is 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. Okay, then 33 plus 9 is equal to 42. Then 42 plus 9. This is the fourth number. 42 plus 9 is equal to 51. Okay. Now the fifth question. Yes. So, second term and fourth terms are given. Okay, second term and fourth term are given. Then what is the common difference? Yes, common. This is the fourth term, this is the second term. So that is, yes, term difference x4 minus x2 by their positions difference. Position 4 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 42 minus 24 divided by 2. That is also equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. Okay, then what about this number? Yes, 24 minus 9. 24 minus 9 is equal to, yes, 15. Okay, 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. Then what about 24 plus 9? 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. Okay.
Good.
Next question, 24, 2 circles, then 42. Okay. So how do we find the common difference? See, here we have the fourth term and first term. So x4 minus x1. Then what about their position difference? That is equal to 4 minus 1. Okay. So that is equal to x4 is equal to 42 minus 24 divided by 3. Okay. 42 minus 24 is 18. 18 by 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so 6 is the common difference in this case. So what is the next number? 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. Then 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Okay, that is the end of the first question. Now the second question. The terms in two positions of some arithmetic sequences are given below. Write the first 5 terms of each. This one is very important question. Okay, these are the terms. Yes, third term is given. Third term is equal to 34. And the sixth term is 67. Okay. Only given third term and the sixth term. And we need to write the 5 terms of the sequence. 5 terms of the sequence. What we know? We have the third term and the sixth term. And we know one relation. What is that relation? Yes, common difference is equal to, yes, term difference by position difference. Okay, common difference is equal to term difference by position difference. So here how do we find the common difference? Common difference is equal to, yes, which are the terms here? This is the sixth term and this is the third term. So the terms are 67 minus 34. Okay, that is the term difference. What about their position? Yes, this is the sixth term and this is the third term. So the position difference 6 minus 3. Then what is 67 minus 34? 67 minus 34 is equal to, yes, 33. Okay, 67 minus 34 is equal to 33. Then what about 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so 33 divided by 3 is equal to, yes, 11. So here what is the common difference? The common difference here is, yes, 11 is the common difference. Now we need to write, yes, first 5 terms of this sequence. Okay, we need to write the first 5 terms of this sequence. We have the third term. Okay, so we need the first term and the second term, then fourth term and the fifth term. Okay, so here the common difference is, yes, common difference is 11. Okay, so we need x1, x2, x3 is given, x4 and x5. Okay, we have, yes, third term. Okay, from the third term, we need to subtract 2 times of the common difference, then we get the first term, right? That is first term plus 2 times of the common difference gives the third term. So third term minus 2 times of the common difference gives the first term. Okay, so the first term is equal to, yes, 34 minus, yes, 2 times of the common difference. Okay, 2 times of the common difference, that is 34 minus 2 into 11. 34 minus 22. 34 minus 22 is equal to, yes, 12. Okay, then what about the second term? Okay, second term is 11 more than the first term, that is equal to, yes, which is equal to 23. Okay, so first term is 12, second term is 23, third term is 34. Then what about the fourth term? Fourth term is equal to plus 11. This plus 11 gives the fourth term, that is equal to, yes, 45. Then what about the fifth term? Fifth term is equal to 56. So which are the first 5 terms of this sequence? Yes, the first 5 terms are or the sequences is 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, etc. Or the terms are this much only. Okay, sequences, this is the sequence. Okay. Next, second sub question of second question, that is third term is 43 and sixth term is 76. Okay, what is our first step? Yes, first we need to find out our common difference. Okay, how do we find common difference? Common difference is equal to term difference, yes, term difference by position difference. Okay, term difference by position difference. What are the terms here? Yes, 76 minus 43. And what about their position? 6 and 3. So 6 minus 3. Okay, what is equal to? Yes, 6 minus 3, 3. 7 minus 4 is also equal to 3. 33 by 3 is equal to 11. Okay, so the common difference here is 11. Then what about first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term? Yes, first term is, yes, this term, third term minus 2 times of the common difference, that is 43 minus 2 times of the common difference, that is equal to 2 times of the common difference is 22, that is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to, so this one is equal to 21. Okay, then what about the next term? That is 21 plus 11, common difference is 11, so 21 plus 11, that is equal to 2, 3. 32. Third term is, yes, 43. Then what about the fourth term? Fourth term is equal to 54 and fifth term is equal to, yes, 65. Okay, so these are the first 5 terms of this sequence: 21, 32, 43, 54 and 65. Okay children, so today we learned the one important property of arithmetic sequence, that is the common difference is always term difference by position difference. And one more thing, the term differences are always the multiples of common difference. Okay, this is an important thing, and you have to learn this. Okay, children, thank you. And one more thing, you have 3 homework questions, that is fourth exercise, second question, third, fourth and fifth sub questions are homework. Okay children, thank you.